This is Draxton. This is our youngest. Drax and I, because today is our first day back at school. If you're new to me, hi. I'm Dominic Nash. I am a budget queen, meaning that I don't like paying over hand over fist for stuff at all. No. So I do my own nails. I order press-ons, and if I have an overabundance of overflow nails, I'm not going to order any new ones until I get done using these. Is to push the cuticles back with not the sharp tip, but the other one. Look, Drax. I'll push it back gently like that.
So it can stick on you?
No, so the nails can fit properly. You want to try?
No!
No thanks.
Yeah, I want you to try.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Like that, Draxton has left me. I've been doing this by myself. Drax, what you doing?
Yes.
Are you counting? Motherhood. It's all. So we have, this is from a previous set. This is from a previous set, but this one, and this one all came from the package on Flip. They are mine. Now I got to do the same. So as far as nail glue, the best for me is Goldfinger. You can get this from a local beauty supply house. Or if you don't like to travel out a lot, you can order like a whole bunch of them in a pack on Amazon. But this is the best nail glue that I like. My nails last for 2 weeks. I start to take them off. I have to soak them off. Okay. I have to soak them off. They don't just come off. I have to soak them off with coconut oil and soapy water in a bowl like this. I broke this glue all the way open because the lid got stuck. So I'm going to use one of my favorite leftover nails. These were so cute that I got from Amazon. So I put a drop of glue on my nail bed. And then I put a drop of glue on the back of the nail. And hold it in place. And then I use my little cuticle stick, the long tip part, to move the glue. Any excess glue. Come on in.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm done with all my assignments.
You done with all your assignments?
Yeah.
When's your next class? Say hi.
Hi. My next class.
So as y'all can see, I homeschool my children. They all have different classes at different times, and they all have assignments and meetings and stuff like that. So Diedrich, which is my 7-year-old, he is in 1st grade. He completed all of his assignments and now is waiting for his next class. But this one, on another note, is one of my favorite nails. I'm probably going to order this again. This little short, pointy, cherry looking nail came from Amazon, and I really like that set. It was really cute. All right, so I have both hands with nails. Now I'm going to switch out the adapter off of my Colas drill, which you can get in the TikTok shop. I'll make sure to link it down below. But this is really cool. It comes with so many different attachments that you can do. The one that you really need after you put your nails on is this one right here. No, not that one. This one. This is going to help kind of file down any of those like fake parts that be on the top, make it real smooth and everything. And we are done. And it took us some less time. On the next vlog video that I do, I will be showing you guys how I cut my hair and how I cut my son's hair. So stay tuned. See you later. And welcome to the Nash House. Well, part of the Nash House, you get to see. Okay. Bye. I love you.